Good day, I am Analea Amdan, and this will be my video presentation on Literature 1. So, the first topic on Module 9 is all about A Christmas Carol. So, A Christmas Carol is a classic novella written by Charles Dickens. It was first published in the year 1843. So, the story follows the transformation of Ebenezer Scrooge. It is about a miserly old man who is visited by the ghosts of Christmas past, present, and yet to come. So, so through these encounters, Scrooge is shown the error of his ways and ultimately learns the true meaning of Christmas. So, Charles Dickens was a prolific English writer and social critic who is widely regarded as um, one of the greatest novelists of the Victorian era. Uh, Charles, he is known for his vivid characters, engaging storytelling, and his keen observations of society and human nature. So, Dickens' um, works often addressed social injustices and shed light on the plight of the poor and marginalized members of society. So, uh, the story A Christmas Carol is one of his most famous and enduring works. So, it is loved by generations of readers for its message of redemption, compassion, and the joy of the holiday season. The next one is the Alice Adventure. Alice Adventures in Wonderland follows what do you call this, a young girl named Alice who falls down a rabbit hole into a fantastical world full of talking animals, magic creatures, and eccentric characters. Alice in Wonderland, it is written by Lewis Carroll. It is the pen name of Charles um, Dodgson. So, the book was was first published in 1865 and and has um, and has since become a beloved classic of children's literature. Okay, so Lewis Carroll was an English writer, a mathematician, and photographer who has known for his playful and imaginative storytelling. So he was inspired to write Alice Adventures in Wonderland during a boat trip with the Liddell family. So for whom he created the story to entertain their young daughter Alice. So Carol's whimsical and nonsensical tale has captivated readers for generations with its clever wordplay, surreal imagery, and underlying themes of uh, logic, identify, and imagination. The next story will be the Bridge to Terabit. It is a novel written by Catherine Patterson that tells the story of a deep friendship between two fifth graders, Jess Aarons and Leslie Burke. So this novel, together they create an imaginary kingdom called uh, Terabithia. So Terabithia is in the woods near their home. So where they can escape the challenges of their everyday life. So however, tragedy strikes when Leslie dies in a tragic accident. So leaving when that the when the accident happened, it leaves Jess devastated and learning to cope with loss and grief. Okay, so the writer Catherine Patterson is an American author known for for writing young adult and children's books that that tackle complex and meaningful themes. So she has won numerous awards for her work, including the Newbery Medal for the story Bridge to Terabithia in 1978. So Patterson's writing often focuses on the themes of love, loss, friendship, and the power of imaginations. So she has a talent for creating emotionally resonant stories that resonate with readers of all ages. The next one is the Chronicles of Narnia. So this story is familiar for some, but yeah. So these Chronicles of Narnia is a series of seven fantasy novels. So it is written by British author C.S. Lewis. So the series um, follows the adventures of children who are who are transported to the magical land of Narnia. So where where they encounter talking animals, mythical creatures, and epic battles between good and evil. So the books are known for their Christian allegorical themes and imaginative storytelling. Yeah, so the author Clive Staples Lewis, known as C.S. Lewis, was a British writer. So, British writer, okay, so theologian and academic who has born in Belfast, Ireland in 1898. So, he is best known for his works of fiction, including the Chronicles of Narnia series and the Screw Tape Letters. So, Lewis was a close friend and colleague of fellow author J.R.R. Tolkien. So yeah, so they were both members of the informal literary discussion group known as the Inklings. So while Lewis wrote prolifically on a wide range of topics, including theology, literary criticism, and philosophy, he is perhaps best remembered for his imaginative and accessible works of fiction, so which continue to captivate and inspire readers of all ages. So, um, a little no background. Lewis passed away in the year 1963, but his legacy as a writer and thinker continues to endure. Okay, yeah. The next is Peter Pan. So, it is very familiar story. So, Peter Pan is a classic children's novel written by J.M. Barrie. So, it tells about the story of Peter Pan. He is a Peter Pan. He is a mischievous boy who can fly and never grows up, and his adventures in the magical world of Neverland. Peter takes Wendy, John, and Michael Darling to Neverland, where they encounter pirates, mermaids, and the villainous Captain Hook. So yeah, so the author J.M. Barrie was a Scottish author and play playwright who has born in the year 1860. So he began writing plays and novels in the late 19th century, and also he is best known for creating the character of Peter Pan. So Barry was inspired to write Peter Pan after befriending a family of young boys and their mother, who would become the basis for the characters in the story. So, Barry's novel has since become a beloved classic and has been adapted into numerous plays, films, and other form of media. So, yeah, that is the author of Peter Pan. So, the next was the next topic is all about Harry Potter. So, Harry Potter is a best-selling fantasy series written by British author J.K. Rowling. So, the series follows the adventures of a young wizard named Harry Potter and also his friends um, Hermione Granger and Ron Weasley as they attend Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and also wizardry and battle the Dark Wizard Voldemort. And let's go to the author. So J.K. Rowling, whose real name is John Rowling, was born in England in 1965. So before becoming a successful author, uh, she worked as a researcher and bilingual secretary for Amnesty International. So the idea for Harry Potter came to her while on a delayed train from Manchester to London. So over the course of 7 books, Rowling's magical world captures the hearts of readers of all ages and become a cultural phenomenon. So Rowling's success with the Harry Potter series has earned her numerous awards and accolades as well as a dedicated fan base um, around the world. So, in addition to writing, she is also known for her philanthropic um, work and advocacy for various social and political causes. And that would be all for the Module 9 coverage. Thank you.